In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect wired controller to Xbox 360. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting a wired controller to your Xbox 360 in 2024 is extremely straightforward. The process is exactly the same as back then, and all that you have to do is first locate the controller port. So, usually on the front of your Xbox 360 console, you will find a series of ports. The controller port is typically located on the far left. Depending on the Xbox 360 model that you have, it might be different visually, but regardless, you will be able to identify the controller port. So you can look at the end of the controller cable and find the matching port. Once you find it, simply insert the wired controller's plug into the controller port on the Xbox 360 itself. Now, you can do this with the console on. You don't even have to turn it off. And then wait for recognition. The console should automatically recognize the controller. You will usually see a visual indicator on the screen, or you will feel a vibration from the controller, indicating that it is now ready to be used. If you connect the controller and it doesn't work for whatever reason, first try plugging it into a different port. So disconnect, connect it back again, give it some time, try opening up a game, and if it still doesn't work, restart your console. If all of these fail, it could indicate that you have a faulty controller. The best way to confirm this would be to plug the controller into a different console, so another Xbox 360, and you will be able to determine if the problem is attributed to the port on your console or the controller that you have. But regardless, most controllers should work flawlessly as soon as you insert the cable into the port, and you will be able to use them without any issues on any Xbox 360 controller model. You can connect multiple controllers to the same console to do stuff like split screen and play together with your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to Xbox 360. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.